She brought every tool to break these ring cams.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This neighbor didn't like the newly installed cameras.
Lo dices en la cara, en video, para que vayas a la cárcel. Eso es lo que te espera. Tienes miedo porque no lo dices en la cara, en video, para que vayas a la cárcel.
Loca maluca.
¿Cómo fue? La envidia da cáncer, ¿sabes?
When the police use your front porch for surveillance,
It's the police department. We're watching somebody's house, okay?
Okay.
just watch this man attempt to break into this home at 5 a.m. in the morning. Yup, you're on camera, buddy. This is a situation you definitely don't want to find yourself in.
Holiday. Right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
Cars are shut that door. Car's clear. Car's clear.
But now,
He knows
Jet
we're here.
Holidays.
They give these U-Haul trucks to anybody. Surprised this actually worked. The owner won't be happy about this. Just watch this.
Oh. Oh. You hear him? What he said? He down there. He said, bah. Donovan. Got chased by a darn goat. We have to run it back on the camera. Can you imagine Don trying to put the code in? Oh! I saw him close the door. Oh!
What are the chances of this happening?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
You're meant to be in London. Is this a joke? Adam! Well, say something for God's sake! What are you doing here? Let me see who you are. Who are you?
Adam, what the shouting?
I'm his missus, is what the shouting is. I'm his missus. Yes.
You Mrs. Delivery Driver.
Black sidewalks don't look too bad.
This is why you need a doorbell camera.
Always check your peephole.
Is it the right house? Are we in the right house?
No, we're not.
3 guys versus 1 door. What are your excuses for door salesmen?
Hey, how's it going? How you doing?
All right.
Better than bad, right?
What?
All right, it's better than bad. I'm Jake. It's nice to meet you. I'll be brief. I manage a business out here, Moxie Pest Control.
We're gonna be moving.
Oh, got it. Where are you guys moving to?
Probably. We're not sure. We're
Moving.
in the middle of a divorce, so
Yeah.
we're not.
Oh, okay. No worries then. I'll
So
say.
it's probably last on the list.
All right. Yeah. Have a great night.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. I'm sure other people will be interested probably around here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's about
I was trying to teach him a lesson.
Hey, all right, chill out.
Told my bro to stop coming home late and stop coming home tipsy. He thought he was getting mugged.
Chill out. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, chill out. All right, chill. I'm gonna blow you back out. Chill. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, why you slamming the door? What's up? Bro, that was you complaining. What do you mean? What are you talking to? I heard you arguing. Why are your kids on the floor? You're drunk again, huh? Nah, bro. I told you I stopped drinking. Bro. Hey, look, arguing with themselves, fighting his own demons. What's going on?
When intruders enter your property, how do people keep showing up at the wrong homes?
Oh my god. Hi. Am I at the wrong fucking house?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Wait for it.
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Now he definitely knows someone's home.
Doing alright, man? You already ahead. Have a good day, man.
This why all black people need cameras.
Stuff like this
the police
right here
doing
is why
anything
all
to set
black
us
people
up.
need to have cameras. You see how they just tried to plant something up under somebody's car, and they said the car hadn't moved in months. And now all of a sudden the police planting stuff and didn't even see the camera. Stupid.
You don't expect to hear this type of doorbell.
Oh.
Your turkey scared me.
Huh?
Your turkey scared me.
Oh. I was changing their diaper. Get in the house. Both of you. Like this one.
You want your receipt?
No thank you. All right. You have a good night and have a good Thanksgiving.
You too.
I like
You like that?
Oh, do you? Yeah, it expires after tomorrow. For Halloween I had a little monster laughs when you rang it.
That's cool.